Tesla Giga Shanghai factory had its best first month of a quarter ever, with 75,842 cars sold wholesale. Additionally, latest Tesla insurance data from China shows sales of about 41,000 in April. This is also a new best first month of the quarter ever. Welcome back again, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. On May 5th, the Chinese magazine 36KR published CPCA data related to NEV, new electric vehicle sales in China, which revealed that Tesla sold 75,842 cars made in the Shanghai Giga factory. Those numbers include both export and domestic sales. However, we don't know the distribution, which will be revealed later this month. And like I said, this is the first month of a quarter ever with 75,842 cars sold wholesale. Usually the first month of the quarter is dedicated to export and the last month is dedicated to domestic sales in Chinese retail market. The April sales are almost $5,000 increase. I'm sorry, 5,000% unbelievable increase compared to April last year when Tesla sold 1,512 Shanghai-made electric vehicles. I mean, the increase was because last year during this time things were shut down because of the COVID. However, last April the Tesla China production facility, like I said, was disrupted by COVID lockdowns. So while 5,000% might look good on paper, in reality it is not that great. The April sales are down 14.66% from March when Tesla China sold 88,869 vehicles. Tesla made significant price cuts in November last year and early January to boost its sales, which started a price war in China. One after another, electric vehicle makers began to offer price cuts of up to $15,000. The gas automakers, ICE automakers, also joined the race to the bottom as on July 1st. Many fuel cars that don't fit the new emission norm of 6B wouldn't be able to sell in China. There are, however, rumors that government will postpone this deadline until the end of the year. Tesla Shanghai produces only Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, friends. Model 3 starts at 231,900 yuan, which is $33,500, and Model Y starts at 263,900 yuan, which is $38,200. Model Y is by far Tesla's best-selling model in China, and in March even became the best-selling car on the Chinese market. The cheaper Model 3 faces lots of pressure from electric sedans in the price range of about 200,000 yuan, as BYD Seal or Chang'an Dipal Shenlani SL3, that's Model Y, will get similar pressure this year as many electric vehicle makers prepare to launch their SUVs like BYD Song L, Geely's Polestar 4. A recent report suggested that BYD became the fourth battery supplier of Tesla, as German-made Model Y is being produced with an LFP BYD battery with lower range, which I reported yesterday. So Tesla sold 305,164 vehicles made in China between January and April, indicating a 66% increase from the 183,686 units sold in the corresponding period of the previous year. Additionally, the total sales for 2022 reached 710,866 cars, representing an increase of 47% compared to the last year's figure of 2021. So what's really significant about this report is that Tesla's Giga Shanghai factory had its best first month of a quarter. Best first month of a quarter ever, with 75,842 cars sold wholesale. This is very important. And additionally, latest Tesla insurance data from China shows sales of 41,000 in April. This is also a new best first month of the quarter ever. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, friends. Tesla crushes sales estimates, nears 300% sales growth in Germany, which is Europe's largest car market. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Despite numerous macroeconomic headwinds, Tesla has reported a massive 272% increase in sales year over year in Germany during April. As Europe's largest car market and automotive center, Germany is often used as a bellwether for the broader European automotive market. Hence, as Tesla has continued to grow sales in Germany dramatically, it has seen its European sales follow suit. Now, the German government agency that tracks car registrations in the country reported on the automotive sales of April, indicating that Tesla has continued its massive sales growth and has reached a new crucial sales milestone. According to the KBA, the German car registration agency, Tesla sold a total of 2,420 vehicles during April, which is an astronomical 272.3% growth from just 1 year ago. This incredible sales success is on top of one of Tesla's most successful sales quarters in the country, demonstrated by Tesla's 4-month sales growth. Compared to the first 4 months of 2022, Tesla sales have more than doubled, up 109.2%. Perhaps more critical than Tesla's sales growth, the company has crossed the 1% market share milestone, accounting for 1.2% of all car sales in Germany during April. Tesla has previously crossed this milestone, but with a 0.2% margin. This is some of the most market presence the American automaker has ever achieved in Germany. The German agency has not yet released model-specific sales number though. It should be noted that Tesla's success matches a broader industry trends, which saw car sales explode during the 4th month of the year, up 12.6% compared to April's 0.22. Moreover, electric vehicle sales caught their stride during April, up 34.1% year over year, representing a record 14.7% of the overall market. A total of 29,740 electric vehicles were sold during the month. Friends, looking forward to the rest of the quarter, Tesla should expect even stronger sales in the coming 2 months if the market continues to follow its traditional path. March is typically the strongest month of the year, and despite the dip in sales from March to April of this year, analysts expect a slight rebound into May and June, which are typically better sales performance, Tesla Radio reports. So what do you think about Tesla crushing sales estimates in Europe's largest market, which is Germany, largest car market, and which is also nearing 300% sales growth in Germany year over year?